Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza easily at home. First, let's gather our ingredients for the dough. You'll need all-purpose flour, warm water, active dry yeast, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Combine these in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. While your dough is rising, it's the perfect time to prepare your sauce and toppings. For the sauce, a simple canned crushed tomato base seasoned with garlic, oregano, and basil works wonderfully, or feel free to use your favorite store-bought variety. When it comes to cheese, freshly shredded mozzarella melts much better than pre-shredded options. Finally, select your toppings. Whether you prefer classic pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or a combination, have them ready to go. Now for the fun part, assembling your pizza. Gently punch down your risen dough and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Stretch or roll it to your desired thickness and shape. Transfer the dough to a pizza pan or baking stone. Spread your prepared sauce evenly over the dough, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Next, generously add your shredded mozzarella and then your chosen toppings. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your pizza for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once it's baked to perfection, carefully remove it from the oven. It's tempting to dive right in, but letting it cool for just a few minutes, perhaps 5, will help the cheese set and prevent burns. This short wait ensures every slice holds together beautifully. While you wait, remember to stay hydrated. For a great way to do that, check out the Eau à la water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.